Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Silent Hill F all ending save files on PC. I show you guys how to install them. You just need to check my video description for this link. Just scroll down and go to files. Under main files, you just need to find depends on the save you need. In my case, I'm going with the last one, the Great Space Innovation, and select the manual download option. And select the slow download option and it will download start. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And then it will download done. Right click and select printer and select extract to. After the extract done, double click on it and copy all these files. And then just need to go to this PC, C drive, users folder, username. If you don't have a username, then go to start icon. Here you can able to see your username and then just double click on it and select the view option and select show and check mark this hidden items option so that this app data will be visible, and then just double click on it and double click on local and find shf. Double click on the shf folder, double click on saved, save games, random numbers. Already having save file, you just need to drag everything and pack up to any other folder you want. I'm going with this pictures folder packing up, and then paste the file we copied, then just to close stuff here and launch the game. And now just press any keys and go to load, scroll up. You can either go with new game or the save we paste. Select the save we paste and the game will open up in that scenario, guys. Don't forget to like, guys. Thank you.